Hello aspirants, I am here to tell you about objective of Indian history. In yesterday's lecture, we have done about Harappan civilization. Now today's lecture third, and we discussed about Vedic age in the Indian history. In this chapter, we have completed 98 questions involving 1800 plus MCQs questions with their detailed examination. It involved previous year question including NCERT based examination. It's helped in various entrance exams like MPPSC, UPSC and other state exams as well. Now let's talk about question first. The chief crops during the later Vedic age was where? Like your exact questions, your options are barley, wheat, rice, wheat, barley and rice. The correct answer is wheat and barley. The description of wheat and barley are used in a Vedic region. Why? In agriculture was a chief means of survival in a later Vedic age. It also continued to develop barley, but due to later Vedic age was dependent on rice and wheat. But the chief crops are rice, which are used in a ancient Vedic period. Now let's talk about question second. Fundamental on the basic script of the Rig Vedas was, your options is Devanagari, Grahisastri, Pali and Brahmi. Your correct answer is Brahmi. The Rig Veda was written in the Sanskrit languages before the script got invented in AD period. The Sanskrit language has been ancient in the ancient script during BC periods called Brahmi periods. Now let's talk about question third. Who is the author of Navasutra? Your options are Khanan, Gautama, Kapila and Brahma. Your correct answer is Gautama, because the Navasutra of Gautama is an important treatise of Indian logical, has been regarding of the earliest week of Navya psychology, has been written by Gautama and Akshapata, who is considered to be the founder of nervous system of psychology. Now let's talk about question 4. Who is the origin of Mahabharata and who has written this and why we called it? Because then their options are Brahmanataka, Brahmashmita, Brahmis and Jayashamita. The correct answer is Jayashamita, because the Mahabharata is an original called as Jayasmita and it was written by Ganesha and it is narrated by Maharishi Vedvyas. It is skipped an original epic called as Jaya and then later is called as Vijaya, other than it called Bharat, and finally it was declared as Mahabharata. Now all this question has been detailed and explained in the book given, has been written by MANSI WADHELA ma'am. She has 10 years of experience teaching as well in many other competitive exams. Now I have to tell you how to purchase this book. This book has been directly purchased from the Takshila publication, and our more detail has been mentioned in our description box as well. This book has been mentioned in our Amazon as well, and you can directly contact from Takshila publication as well. Thank you.